Good day guys! Welcome back to my channel. Bali, onting introduction lang muna tayo. Nag-decide kasi ako na gawing book channel itong YouTube account ko na to. Kaya ngayon, nag-request tayo sa isang online bookseller na magbigay sa akin ng mga random books. Bali, ang ginawa ko, nagbigay lang ako ng budget, tas request ko na wag magsama ng self-help books at children's books. In-accommodate naman nila yung request natin, kaya lahat ng books na ito, hindi ko talaga alam yung title. Pero, ang sabi ng seller, 5 new books siya and 7 pre-loved books. Pero hindi ko ini-expect actually na babalutin nila. Yan. Tapos, umpisahan natin na lang dito sa pinaka-left. Ayan guys, tinanggal ko na lang muna yung tali tsaka yung tape kasi para hindi tayo mahirapang buksan. Tapos, ito nga pala yung seller na binilhan ko if you want to order books din. Accommodating sila. Okay, unwrap na natin itong first parcel na to. Oops. Tapos nag-decide pala ako kung ano yung unang book na makikita natin dito. Yun yung pinakaunang book na babasahin ko for 2026. Okay, yan ay ano to? Meron pa palang wrap. Tapos may pa freebies pala si seller. Wait lang. Masyadong madami yung wrapper ni seller. Siya ay secured. Wait lang guys. Ayan guys. Merong free na bookmark. Ayan. Tapos, meron ring sticker containing the name of the seller. Tapos, ito na yung first book na babasahin natin for 2026. Magpie Murders by Anthony Horowitz. Finest crime novel of the year. Crime novel talaga. Ang ating first book. Basahin natin nasa likod. 7 for a mystery that needs to be solved. Crime writer Alan Conway has been a best-selling author for years. Readers love his detective Atticus Pond, a celebrated solver of crimes in the sleepy English villages of the 1950s. But Conway's latest tale of murder at Pie Hall is not quite what it seems. Yes, there are dead bodies and a host of intriguing suspects, but hidden in the pages of the manuscript lies another story, a tale written between the very words on the page, telling of a real-life jealousy, greed, ruthless ambition, and murder. Ayan. Isa ito dun sa mga pre-love books natin. Yan. So, ito yung first book of 2026. Tapos, move on tayo sa ating next book. Tapos, yung ating second book ay The Windsor Knot by S.J. Bennett. Her Majesty the Queen investigates. Pitch perfect murder mystery. Murder mystery ulit. Okay, basahin natin yung nasa likod. On a perfect spring morning at Windsor Castle, Queen Elizabeth II will enjoy a cup of tea, carry out her royal duties, and solve a murder. Parang ang cute naman nito. Si Queen Elizabeth II. Okay. Tapos, ano kaya yung third book natin? Baka mystery ulit. Okay. Third book ay The Book of Lost Names by Christine Harmel. A powerful story of survival and resilience. I couldn't put it down, sabi ni Heather Morris. Sa likod ay, sabi niya, throughout World War II, foragers helped thousands escape Nazi-occupied France. In this international bestseller, Christine Harmel reimagines their story, reimagining ng World War II. In 1942, Eva is forced to flee Paris after the arrest of her Jewish father. Finding refuge in a small mountain town, she begins forging identity documents for Jewish children escaping to neutral Switzerland. But erasing people comes with a price, and along with Remy, a mysterious forger, Eva realizes she must find a way to preserve the identities of those too young to remember. When Remy disappears and the resistance cell they work for is betrayed, the records they keep become even more crucial to remembering the truth. Decades later, the book is recovered, leaving researchers desperate to decipher its codes. Only Eva holds the answers, but will she have the strength to face old memories and help reunite those lost during the war? Yan. Parang drama. Medyo drama. Tapos interested rin ako kasi mahilig ako sa history, and lately, since napanood ko kasi yung Band of Brothers, medyo naging interested ako dun sa nangyari nung World War II. Kaya interesting yung book na ito para sa akin. Okay, next package naman tayo. Ito na guys yung next set of books. Naka-cling wrap ulit siya kaya tinanggal ko. Pero hindi ko naman nakita yung title. Tapos meron na namang freebies na bookmarks. Mga roses. And yung cute na capybara. Tsaka seagull ba ito? Parang may nakita akong meme nito kung nakita niya yung seagull sinusubukang kainin yung baby capybara tapos hindi lang siya pinapansin. Ayan. Punta na tayo sa ating fourth book. Mukha siyang horror. Ayan. Title ay Shiver by Maggie Stiefvater, I think. The wolves are calling, everything you know will change. Parang ano ata siya. Para siyang romance ba? Ay, the pack circled around me, tongues and teeth and growls. When a local boy is killed by wolves, Grace's small town becomes a place of fear and suspicion. But Grace can't help being fascinated by the pack and by one yellow-eyed wolf in particular. There's something about him, something almost human. Then she meets a yellow-eyed boy whose familiarity takes her breath away. A chilling love story that will have you hooked on the very first page. Ay, parang dark romance about wolf. Ayan. Matagal na ako hindi nagbabasa actually ng romance. Mga fanfiction kasi binabasa ko. Ayan. Parang second book ata to. Next book is Linger by Maggie Stiefvater, the best-selling author of Shiver. Okay, continuation kaya ito. Sabi niya. Continuation. I feel the weight of the pack's keys. Grace and Sam must fight to be together. For Grace, this means defying her parents and keeping dangerous secrets. For Sam, it means grappling with his fearful past and figuring out a way to survive the future. But just when they manage to find happiness, Grace realizes she's changing in ways she could never have expected. The heart-wrenching sequel to the best-selling Shiver. Ayan. If you are a fan of Twilight, Actually, hindi ko pa nababasa yung Twilight. Pero yan, 2 books siya. Series. Hindi ko alam kung may third. Pero, tignan natin. Ang susunod na libro, pang ilan na natin? Pang 6 na ay, si John Grisham, The Exchange. Meron akong mga libro ni John Grisham kasi hindi ko na maalala kung tungkol saan yung mga nabasa kong libro niya. Feeling ko nakabasa ako ng 2. Yan. The Exchange. Leaves the reader gasping for breath. Daily Mail. Ito ay 10 Days to Save a Life, 1 Second to End It. Mitch McDear has cheated death and come out the other side. 15 years ago, he stole 10 million from the mob and disappeared. Wow. Now, with his enemies jailed or dead, he has fought his way to the top of the biggest law firm in the world. When a new case takes Mitch to Libya, danger awaits. He's soon in the biggest hostage negotiation in history with terrorists who have murdered and will murder again. Their demand is staggering. A ransom of 100 million must be paid within 10 days. But this isn't a random attack. It's personal, with the clock ticking. Can Mitch stay one step ahead? Yan. Si John Grisham. Okay. Next book. Tas ito na, I think, yung last na pre-love book na pinak ni seller para sa atin. Siya ay Think Twice by Harlan Coben. How can a man who's already dead be wanted for murder? Marami tayong parang mga murder na binigay sa seller. From the #1 author and creator of the hit Netflix drama Fool Me Once. Think Twice. Merong sa loob. The master of huge twists and turns. Nasa likod. Ayan. There's no such thing as the perfect murder. This is the question sports agent Myron Bolitar asks himself when 2 FBI agents come looking for his former client and rival, Greg Downing. Greg's DNA has been found at the scene of a recent high-profile double murder, and he is now the FBI's main suspect. But that's impossible. Greg died 3 years ago. Myron went to his funeral and gave the eulogy. But why would someone frame a dead man for murder? Or is Greg Downing still alive? The more Myron digs into this mystery, the more dangerous his world becomes. Another mystery book. Okay, next parcel. Next package. Ito na yung, sa tingin ko, ito na yung mga new books na pinak ni seller. Nandito na tayo sa last set of books. Tapos meron uling mga bookmarks si seller na pinigay. Ayan, 3. Ayan. Tapos, yung first na new book is The Stolen Slippers, A Never After Tale by Melissa de la Cruz. In the not-so-familiar fairy tale world of Never After, Philomena sets off in search of Cinderella's glass slipper, or rather, glass slippers. We're about to learn who Cinderella really is. She's willing to do anything she can to be the princess of Eastphalia, even at the expense of her twin stepsisters, Hori and Bea, who actually aren't wicked at all. When Philomena and Bea are tossed into the busiest dungeon, all hope seems to be lost. Will Cinderella shatter everyone's hopes for a true untwisted ending, or will Philomena and her friends secure the happily ever after the stepsisters deserve? So, parang reimagined. Si Cinderella naman yung villain. Not sure. Malalaman natin pag nabasa ko na siya. Tapos, next book ay Survive the Night by Riley Sager. One passenger, one night, one road trip, one suspected serial killer behind the wheel. Nag-reflect yung ilaw. Sager is a master of psychological suspense. Summary niya ay Charlie Jordan is being driven across the country by a serial killer, maybe. Behind the wheel is Josh Baxter, a stranger Charlie met via the university rideshare scheme. On the road, they share their stories, carefully avoiding subject dominating the news. The campus killer, responsible for 3 student murders, has just struck again. The miles tick by and Charlie begins to notice discrepancies in Josh's story. And why won't he let her see inside the trunk? As she begins to plan her escape from the man she is becoming certain is the killer, she starts to suspect that he knows exactly what she's thinking, meaning that she could very well end up as his next victim. A game of cat and mouse is about to play out. In order to win, Charlie must do the only one thing, survive the night. Parang interesting ito. Ayan, Survive the Night. Next book, Eyes Turned Skyward by Rebecca Yaros. Familiar yung name ng author. Pero matagal na kasi tayong hindi nagbabasa ng libro kaya hindi natin sure kung ano yung genre na sinusulat niya. Life's too short to play it safe. Parang feeling ko drama. Yan. Sometimes love is worth the risk. All Paisley Donovan wants is to leave the glass cage she's been forced into since her sister's death. She may share her heart condition, but she's determined to start living again, even if it kills her. And it almost does until Jagger Bateman pulls her from the ocean. Jagger is enrolled in the country's toughest flight school. He's hot, reckless, and perfect for a girl looking to live life to the fullest. Except Paisley is completely off limits. Not only is she the commanding general's daughter, but her boyfriend is Jagger's biggest rival. As their intense attraction becomes impossible to ignore, Paisley must decide just how much to risk for a guy who makes her heart pound a little too hard. Ooh. Love story. Yan. Eyes Turned Skyward. Yan. Second to the last book, Faking It by Beth Wickles, best-selling author of The Kissing Booth and Lockdown on London Lane. How long can you pretend before it gets real? Okay. Summary ay from the best-selling author of Smash Hit, The Kissing Booth and Lockdown on London Lane comes a charming romance about what happens when a fake dating arrangement suddenly starts to get real. Lifelong singleton Sophie Barker is looking for a love, not that you'd know it from the popular but anonymous relationship column she writes. But her friends are settling down and her sister's wedding is coming up fast. She's not turning up alone. If she can find her soulmate in time, she'll just have to fake one. Enter Harry Chapman, charming, attractive, and seeking a post-divorce distraction. He answers her plea on a dating app, promising an all-expenses-paid weekend to anyone willing to go along with her plan. With the wedding a success and the calendar filling up with couple events, the pair realize the only way they'll survive the next few months is with each other and a little white lie. But as they grow closer, Sophie wonders if their charade may be holding them back from facing the truth. After all, when you're pretending to be in love, how can you find the real thing? A love story. Yan. Tapos, ang ating last book ay Others Were Emeralds. Ano sabi ko? Others Were Emeralds. A novel. Lang Live. Best-selling author of Sad Girls. Familiar rin itong libro na to sa akin. Parang pag nanonood ako ng mga book YouTubers, may nakikita ko sa kanila tong book na ito. Ayan. What comes first, the photograph or the memory? The daughter of Cambodian refugees, Ai grows up in a small Australian town of Whitlam populated by Asian immigrants who once fled war-torn countries to rebuild their shattered lives. It is now the late 90s, and Ai and her tight-knit group of school friends, charismatic Bridget, sweet endearing Bowie, shy inscrutable Tin, and politically minded Ying, all lead seemingly ordinary lives, far removed from the unimaginable horrors suffered by their parents. But that carefree innocence is shattered in their last year of school, when Ai and her friends encounter a pair of racist men whose cruel acts of intimidation spiral into senseless violence. Grappling with the magnitude of her grief, Ai lives with long before her trauma has a chance to fully resolve itself. In her second year of college, Ai suffers a mental health crisis, driving her back home to Whitlam, a place she swore never to return. There, she reconnects with those she left behind, and together they are compelled to look back on the tragedy that shaped their adolescence and examine the role they may have unwittingly played. A rich and compelling coming-of-age narrative, set against the backdrop of anti-Asian sentiment sweeping Australia in the late 90s. Others Were Emeralds is a stirring portrayal of guilt, loss, and memory that explores the inherent danger of allowing our misconceptions to shape our reality. Ooh, parang ang interesting ng book na ito. Parang gusto ko siyang isunod after nung pinaka-first kanina. Ayan. Ito na yung 12 books na binigay sa atin ni seller. Bale, in-arrange ko na sila in order na gusto ko silang basahin. Maliban dito. Kasi ito, sabi ko kung ano yung unang book na makikita, yun yung babasahin. Pinaka-first book na babasahin ko for 2026. Kaya, by default, ito yung una. Tapos, next, gusto kong basahin tong Others Were Emeralds. Tapos, Faking It. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang na-interest akong magbasa ng love story bigla. Tapos, ito, Survive the Night. Tapos, The Book of Lost Names. Eyes Turned Skyward. Tapos, ito hindi ko sure kung actually, itong dalawa hindi ko sure. Kasi nalala ko, parang popular ata itong dalawa na to dati. Nakita ko siya sa National. Pero, parang hindi kasi ako interested talaga sa werewolf. Actually, mas interested ako sa mga vampires. Pero tignan natin yung baka maganda naman siya. Baka hindi ko lang binibigyan ng chance ang mga werewolf. Tapos nun, actually, marami pang books na darating. Kasi nag-order rin ako sa online apps ng mga, kung alam niyo yung Blind Date with a Book na si seller, same rin na si seller rin yung pipili ng books na isi-send. Depende, kasi meron yung isang in-orderan ko, hindi sure kung magpo-push through kasi sabi by January 15, pag hindi pa niya na pack is makakancel na. So, kung hindi kasama yun, may 5 books na Blind Date with a Book na darating. Pero kung kasama yun, ilan lahat? I think 11 books. Tas maliban dun, may isa pa akong requestan na online bookseller rin na pipili ng books para sa akin. Yun, may 6 books pa na darating. So, medyo marami yung book haul natin. Pero, baka matagal pa naman darating yun. Baka last week pa ng January. So, yan guys. baka gagawa rin tayo ng book review. Try natin gumawa ng book review. Mga book summary and book reviews. Pag natapos na natin ito. Okay guys, yun lang. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.